Are you ready to learn Spanish words related to breakfast foods? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's lesson is all about breakfast. We're going to learn the words for eggs, bacon, toast, donut, and cereal. Let's start with eggs. In Spanish, eggs are huevos. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat eggs, you could say, yo como huevos. Our second word is bacon. Tocino. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat bacon, you could say, yo como tocino. Our third word is toast. Pan tostado. Let's break it down. Pan tostado. Pan tostado. If you wanted to say, I eat toast, you could say, yo como pan tostado. Our fourth word today is donut. Rosquilla. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat donuts, you would say, yo como rosquillas. And our fifth word today is cereal, which in Spanish is cereal. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat cereal, you would say, yo como cereal. Let's review those 5 words. Eggs are huevos. Bacon is tocino. Toast is pan tostado. Donut is rosquilla. And cereal is cereal. Now that we've had a chance to review, let's test your knowledge. How do you say eggs in Spanish? If you said huevos, you're right. How about bacon? How would you say bacon in Spanish? Tocino. How about toast? How would you say toast in Spanish? Pan tostado. What about donut? How would you say donut in Spanish? Rosquilla. And last, how would you say cereal in Spanish? If you said cereal, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.